And welcome to another DaVinci Resolve tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create rounded corners to your videos in DaVinci Resolve. The first thing you want to do is to make sure that you're on the Edit panel. Next, highlight the video you want to add the rounded corners to, and move over to the Zoom properties under Transform, and reduce the value so that we can see the round corners clearly. Next, come over here to Fusion, and select the rectangle over here. You will notice that your video has been cropped. You can go ahead and increase it back to regain those properties. Now, to add rounded corners to your video, what you need to do is to come over to Controls and scroll down to Corner Radius and increase the value for corner radius until it is as rounded as you desire. Now, if you come back to the Edit tab, you can see that our video is now rounded. And that's it, guys, on how to add rounded corners in DaVinci Resolve.